And welcome back to part 2. This is the page 2 of the same book we are working with. See that? Has one chart. There's 3 rows of music playing, no repeat sign this time. The sharp is G sharp. It looks like a tic-tac-toe next to the note. So that means it's the same fingering as A flat. So let's see what we can do. We have not been playing in a long time. We'll play that again. Like I said, second time's always better. But I'm still breathing kind of funny because I'm not playing in a very long time. And this is the first time that I'm recording myself to see how I do. And hopefully I sound okay. And we have some breathing marks in this song so we can breathe, take a breath. And there's one chart. It's G sharp, the same fingering as A. This is G sharp, A flat. Same fingering. Alright. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.